Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at this problem from 2023 advanced. In this problem we are going to practice the concepts of velocity and relative velocity. So the key steps are: first you read the question, highlight the details, the main numbers and values, then draw a figure and label it properly and then solve. So first let us read the question. So the problem says a person of height 1.6 meter is walking away from a lamp post. The height of the lamp post is 4 meter and the person is walking on a flat ground. Okay, so we have a person height 1.6 meter, right? And there's a lamp post 4 meter and the person is walking away from the lamp post. And the lamp post and the person, they are always perpendicular to the ground. So this angle here is 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree. If the speed of the person is 60 centimeter per second, right? So speed of the person is 60 centimeter per second away from the lamp post, right? The lamp post is fixed on ground. Like this point, you can say it is fixed on ground. Fixed on ground, right? The person is walking away from the lamp post. If we represent the distance between the lamp post, the fixed point on the ground, and the person by x, right? X is the distance of person from lamp post, right? So this 60 centimeter per second is the rate of change of that distance. That is how we define the velocity, right? That is your speed. That is the rate of change of distance, dx by dt, right? So rate of change, right? Rate of change of distance. That is your speed, right? Dx by dt. Then the question says the speed of the tip of the person's shadow on the ground with respect to the person is question mark centimeter per second. Speed of the tip of the person's shadow. So the lamp post is like emitting light. So imagine a light ray. This is the light ray. This is the light ray, right? So that light touching the top of the person, right? The straight line, and this is the shadow. So this is the shadow length. Shadow length, right? Shadow length. Y. This distance from the person to the other point of the shadow on the ground, that is the shadow of the person, right? How long the shadow is, right? So the question is saying the speed of the tip of the person shadow. So this point here is tip of person's shadow, right? See, the figure was not given. You have to imagine what is happening and you have to draw a figure accordingly, right? So now, tip of person's shadow, right? Here's a catch. The question is not asking how fast the tip of the person's shadow is moving, right? Tip of the person's shadow. So let's call this point B. A is the lamp post, B is where the person is, right? And let's call the tip of the shadow, let's call that point C, right? So tip of person shadow. So here's the thing, the velocity, the speed of tip, right, or point C, right, or point C, that will be the rate of change of AC by dt, how fast AC is changing over time. But the question is saying the tip of the person shadow on ground with respect to the person, right? So speed of tip of shadow with respect to the person, that is equal to, it is dBc by dt. Basically it is asking how fast the length of the shadow is changing, right? And this are not same. Let me show you that dBc and dAc by dt, they are not same, they are different. Speed of tip, this here, right, speed of tip, right, this speed of tip dAc by dt, right, this here, that is the absolute speed of shadow tip, okay? But dBc by dt, that is the relative speed, right? So it is the relative speed. So the other way to look at it would be like, for example, we can write dBc by dt, right? So let me write it. You can also write it d, right, C A, right, by dt minus d B A by dt, right? So let me show you. So dCA by dt, this value is how fast point C is moving, right, which is this here, absolute speed. And dBA by dt, like this here, dBA by dt, this is your dx by dt, that is dx by dt, that how fast the person is walking, right? And dBc by dt is the relative speed, okay? So this is very important to understand. A common mistake will be that you just calculate dAc by dt, and that is wrong. You have to remember the this part here, let me highlight it, this part here, with respect to the person. Do not forget that, right? So let us solve it, and it can be solved quite easily, very simply, right? So let's say this angle at any time is theta, right? Remember, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, right? So we can write at any time, no matter where the person is, right, whatever the value of x or y is, we can write tan theta. We take the big triangle. If you take the big triangle, right, we will get 4 by x plus y, right, the big triangle, from the big triangle. Let me name it again, maybe ABC. So let's call it A, this is B, C, and let's call it D. So I will write here from DAC, triangle DAC. This is from triangle DAC, right? Now we can take the smaller triangle, we can take this smaller triangle, right, and we can write the height of the person 1.6 divided by y, and this is from let's call it E, right? So this is from triangle EBC, okay, and this equation will help us solve. So here one thing, let me be consistent the way I write y, right? So x plus y, and 4 by x plus y equal to 1.6 by y, right? And now go back again, rate speed of tip of shadow with respect to person is dbc by dt, right? What the question is asking, that dbc by dt, right? How fast the length bc is changing, this is equal to dy by dt. That is what you have to find. So here in the answer you will have dy by dt, right? So I'll go back here and I will write here we need to find dy by dt is equal to question mark. And remember, this speed, that is the rate of change of x, dx by dt, right? So what I will do, from here we do not need to know the angle theta. I will use 4y equal to 1.6 x plus 1.6y, right? And from here we can take y on one side and we will have 2.4 y equal to 1.6 x, right? So this will be 3 and 2, right? If you think about 0.8, right? Divide by 0.8 both sides. So basically we are getting y equal to 2 by 3x. This is what we got. At any time, no matter what theta is, y will be 2 by 3x. So from here, you take the derivative of both sides. Dy by dt is 2 by 3 dx by dt, and dx by dt here, this value dx by dt, this is equal to 60, right, centimeter per second. So dy by dt we will get 2 by third of 60, which will be 40 centimeter per second, and that is the solution. So here you will have 40 is the answer. So the important catch here is the speed of tip of shadow with respect to person is dy by dt, right? It is not equal to dx plus y by dt. That you have to understand, right? X plus y is the total distance from fixed point A, right? X plus y is the total distance from fixed point A. So if you calculate that, that will tell you the absolute speed of point C. But the question is asking with respect to the person, so that will just be the rate of change of y, and that is 40 centimeter per second.